Sorry, I don't know why it wasn't on my mic, dude. Um, Again, I'm not in this, but I feel like someone's in this, dude. There's no way someone's not in this. Well, we have a data high and a data low, so I'm waiting for them to get taken out, or one of them to get taken out. Yo, Ian, you see my screen share? Ian, you think someone's in this right now? No, but you think someone's in this? Like, I want us to take out data highs first, to be honest. The data lows look better. Bruh. Nathaniel Perry. Nathaniel Perry added me on Snapchat. Bro, who is this? Who's Nathaniel Perry, Ian? I have 2+ mutual friends. I have a feeling you're the mutual friend, bro. Who's Nathaniel Perry? Oh, bro. You know what the Nathaniel B line was about? Do you know what it was about? What was it about? Yeah, so that he had an older brother, so he was saying like Nathaniel A and Nathaniel B. He's like, hold up, ain't you Nathaniel B? Bro, no, no. I saw on my TikTok the other day. They were like, guys, we just figured out why he said you're Nathaniel B. He wasn't saying like B is your last name. He was saying this. Bro, I saw it on my TikTok the other day. They were like the Nathaniel B roast video debunked after 5 years. Yo, Ian, wake up. It's the first of the month. Now we're leaving all these equal highs above. We're definitely, or I hope we are. I hope we're doing maybe market open Judah swing. I think we have 10 a.m. news as well today. Let me check. We have 10 a.m. news as well, and then Trump speaks at some point today. Tentative, which means it's just gonna be like all day, I think. Let me check financial juice. Oh, Trump and Putin meeting 2:30 p.m. Bro, Trump said tariffs on chips will be low at the beginning and then they'll be very high. Why are we putting tariffs on chips? That's a little random. Shut up, bro. What? Bro, I think my trade recap's doing horrible on YouTube, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Let me check. I actually think it's doing horrible numbers right now. Why do protagonists always get basic powers? Bro, for real, bro. Yo, Ian, do you think the Rasengan was like a basic power? I feel like Sasuke's was so much cooler with the lightning though. Bro. Bro, come on, leave the dead of those, dude. Daily Bears SMT. Yeah. What do you want? Shut up. Oh, we might go for the data low first. I don't want us to because the data low looks so good. The hardest thing about playing Luna Snow. Let me see what does it say.
Luna Snow? That's a good question. I think it's playing her with one hand.
Bruh.
What's the hardest thing about playing Luna Snow? That's a good question. I think it's Oh my god, my shoulder.
Bruh.
Short inside of this conversion fair value gap during the power macro. We look at that displacement. Isn't that something? Must be random. Shorting 3 contracts. I'm adding 2 more to my short at consequent encroachment of that wick. Want to see us respect that, not close past it. So far, that's panning to perfection. A little bit of a consolidation, but that's fine. Taking a partial there, taking another partial there, taking another partial there, peeling some off at that rejection block. Last contract remaining is for that sell side. Just fell short of it right there. Another attempt, doesn't get there, and last contract stopped in profit. There you go. That's how you do it. Hold a fill. All right, I'm going short inside of this inversion fair value gap during the final hour macro. Look at that displacement. Isn't that something?
Bro, look what I just saying. The guy entered before the fair value gap inversed, bro. He's like, I'm entering inside this inversion fair value gap, and the fair value gap wasn't even inversed yet.
$6 billion. Team just got swept right now. I might enter long next. Wait. We might be able to enter in 6 months. Wait. The 2000. We have 1 second SMT right now. What order block being formed.
Yo, Ian, the setup's working, bro. Damn, bro. I don't want it to take that alone, bro. I want it to leave that alone. To the dead eye. Alright, I got you. Bro, you think more magnets makes it come to the dead eye for me? A 5. Alright, I got 10 now. Oh shit. Alright. I gotta do one more thing, bro. Oh man. It's working. It's good to take it in pre-market. Yeah, hopefully not. Yo, Ian, bro, you need to send me those guys on TikTok, bro. They were like screaming. Yeah. Yeah, what was it? CS9 or something, bro? It was like S9 trading. S9 futures.
Oh shit, they're gonna charge 30 down, bro. Just going up. Just be quiet, bro. Be quiet, bro. Don't entertain them, bro. They're lying to you. They're trying to mess up your head. But we're getting cooked. They're trying to get us away from trading, bro. We gotta trade. We own the markets. This is fine, bro. Oh shit, they're gonna charge 30 down, bro. Just going up. Just be quiet, bro. Be quiet, bro. Don't entertain them, bro. They're lying to you. They're trying to mess up your head. But we're getting cooked. They're trying to get us away from trading, bro.
Bro, he was down 4,000, bro. There's no way you're down 4,000 and try to take TP at like $100.
Favorite songs on Whole Lot of Red version 2, Baby Boy, or whatever Cardi is calling his name.
Yeah.
Predicting future fashion trends. At number 5, we have chunky digital watches. Watches like Oakley Crush, G-Shocks, these chunky digital watches are going to go crazy this year. Affordable, yet bold and fits perfectly into a statement accessory. At number 4, we have Adidas Yunky. Definitely a great shoe, many different colorways to them, and people are just tired of Sambas, bro. So be on the lookout for these new Adidas. Like outfit swaggy with a good addition to an outfit, and be for the guys too. Minimalism and embracing bold. To all my young people who trade crypto, what the fuck are we gonna do about these taxes? We got a couple options, right? But the first one is gonna be flee the fucking country. To be honest, does not seem like a bad option. But in all seriousness, what is your strategy when it comes to taxes? Do we guys just pay?
That's why I said I'm kind of. I'd like to address the elephant in the room, if that's okay with you. So, are you familiar with the court case in the movie Ted 2? So basically, Ted wanted to adopt a child, but wasn't a person in the court of law. And so my question to you is, do you think Ted deserved these civil rights, considering he was conscious and had like beliefs and values of himself, even though he wasn't human?
Probably not. You got to inform me though. So Ted is the teddy bear, right?
Yeah, Ted is the teddy bear, and he wanted to adopt a kid with Tammy Lynn, but he wasn't a human in the court of law.
What's up, Josh and Deep? Come on. Leave my beautiful looking data lows, bro. Yo, Ian, we might have to wait for 10 a.m. news, dude, if we get too close. Yeah, if we get too close to it. If it's like 9:45, we might have to wait. I don't want to enter too close to news. You know what would be even better if we add a data low. Then we have 2 data lows. A higher low. If we do a shorter low, then it would have taken out data low. If we have 2 data lows, it'd be really good. And we have a daily SMT. Like, bro, when I saw the video, I saw the video like right when I was getting in my car to go to the gym yesterday with my girlfriend. TGR's Koenigsegg. And I was like, what the hell? So when I got to the gym, I showed my girlfriend, I was like, do you see this car that he got? This car is like $3 million and it's like completely made by hand. And I was like, that's insane, right? Like it's like that's not like even Ferraris aren't made like that. And she's like, okay, and I was like, what? I was like, bro, dude, like, is that not like crazy? I feel like that should be crazy to everybody, bro. Like a Koenigsegg's like bro, 90% of people don't even know what a Koenigsegg is because of how little they're like around. Like to me, that's just insane getting a Koenigsegg Jesco. Or no, it wasn't a Jesco. What Koenigsegg did he get? I'm not gonna lie, I don't like most. Yeah, it was a Regera. Regera. That's insane.
This is how you get to find out when the S&P 500.
Oh, Ian, look what I just sent you on TikTok. Oh, I don't follow you back, bro. I need to follow you back. That's why I can't send you anything. Bro, I requested to follow you back. No way you have your TikTok private. Bro, hurry up and hurry up and accept my follow request on TikTok. So I can send you something.
This is how you get to find out when the S&P 500 or Nasdaq is going consistently on a daily basis, high probability, just by using.
Alright, I did text you so you're in my thing. Because remember when I blocked you? So it wasn't letting me message you. Bro,
Me saying
look at this video.
this is how you get to find out when the S&P.
This is how you can find out where the S&P 500 is going. Ian, did you see it? This is how you can tell where the S&P 500 is going.
This is how you get to find out when the S&P 500 or Nasdaq is going consistently.
TikTok, I just sent you something. That's why I needed you to accept my follow request. Market's not open yet, and I'm waiting for one of these to get taken. But look at what I just sent you, bro. Look at what I sent you, bro.
I really want to do something fun, so I'm going to rob someone. First person I see.
Bro, oh my gosh, bro. Acting like you're not on your phone.
This is how you get to find out when the S&P 500 or Nasdaq is going consistently on a daily basis, high probability, just by using.
Bro, he's dead there for like 3 minutes inhaling that shit. Talking, bro. I could not do that. Bro, you know how long you would be in this trade if you took it? Just to get stopped out? Isn't that crazy? You would have been in this trade for the last 40 minutes, dude. Look, just to get stopped. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Bruh. Now we're leaving quadruple equal highs here, dude. Bruh.
Because 2 years ago, TJR was posting.
Is that someone posted? This is not a mech model, bro. Congrats to NJR for getting a Koenigsegg. Datawix. Yo! Bro, they were like 1 point away from getting stopped. I'm gonna ride you. Bro, this is not a setup. This is not a I mean this is a setup, but this is not a mech model, bro. No, it's not. It's not anybody's mech model. Bro. Bro, leave my dad alone. Please leave my dad alone. Leave my dad alone. My dad alone did nothing to you. Bro, yeah, I took the magnets off and it doesn't hit my data high, dude. I should have left the magnets there. Why? Bro, I don't think I need more. I just think I need actually wait, actually yeah, more might be the move here to be honest. More magnets might be the move here. Just got all these ones here. It's working! Yes! Yes! We're saving the odds. Take out the eyes. That a low got hit on ES. No, no, it didn't make equal lows actually. Made equal lows on ES. No! Take out my Jedi. Yay! Let's go, guys. The magnet strat worked. Magnet strat worked. I hope you got stopped out if you took that setup. Yeah. All right. Now we got my precious data lows here. No, I don't think anybody in my chat took this setup. Bruh. Bro. But that's a huge stop loss, bro. Bro, just crash out. Shut up, dude. Maybe a resweep of this buy side could be good. We get iFVG up here. Bro, now my. Oh, dude, we just dumped, dude. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, no. No setup to my data low. Oh, my gosh. Bro. Yo. 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 Bro, what is wrong with my Discord? Dude. Just took out my data low with no setup. Market open. Market opened it. Yo. Yo. What is up with my Discord? Yo. Okay, it's not working. All right. Ian, can you hear me? Yo, Ian, can you hear me? Bro, we just raped our data lows. When market open. Ah, dude. I really wish market open pushed us up. Now we got nothing, bro. We gotta wait till 10 a.m. All right, well, phone's staying in my room because we have nothing until 10 a.m. So I'm gonna wait till 10 a.m. now. Boys, yeah. Oh my gosh. What's up?
Disagree with this guy, and I disagree. Disagree, but don't demonize. I disagree with this guy, and I disagree with this guy, and I disagree with this guy. I also disagree with this guy and this girl. You know, you made
What do you want me to do, bro? We didn't get anything to data lows. But you can see I had the right draw, right? And I didn't take a stupid trade looking for the data low first, right? Because I knew we had the data high. You can see we took out the data high first. Don't get me wrong, we almost took out the data low first. But we took out the data high, then dumped to my draw, which was the data low. Just didn't get any setups to it. I had a 1 minute marked out. We just didn't get a setup. What? What setup? And that one failed.
Did you know you're supposed to cut your white
Bruh.
and stretch them so they?
One of my least favorite things about the Koenigsegg Regera is how obnoxious it is to get gas. most supercars, or I guess this is a hypercar, but most cars in general, press a button where you literally just go over to the side and you push
Well, now we have to wait till 10 a.m. news.
gas cap thing. This car, no, let me show you what I have to do in order to put gas in this car. So you get out of your car, take your handy key, and you go ahead and double click on this button right here. Double click it, and this big freaking whole back end of the whip has to open all the way up just for you to put gas in it right here. You would think that it would make it a little bit easier if they just did it with this door, but no. They want you to be ridiculously obnoxious at the gas station and put the entire engine out. This is like the equivalent of being a girl and going out to a nice dinner and just shaking ass everywhere on the table. Like, realistically, you can't handle all that. You can't handle it. Then obviously, you can put it right back down where it was. Safe and sound right in there. One of my least favorite things about the Koenigsegg Regera is how obnoxious it is to get gas. Most super... Wait, this side...
Wait, let me see. Come on. Bruh. Bruh. What's up? My cat? My chat? No, my chat can't hear you. Yeah, there is an SMT here. You're right. There's like a 1 minute SMT. Let me see this. Wait, really? Yo, Ian, did you actually? You said you came to Goon. All right. Guys, I kind of want to end this week on a good note, so we'll just probably wait just for this 10 a.m. news. Bro said, so shut up. Yeah, it is Freaky Friday. Looking for longs or shorts, bro. Nothing right now. I'm waiting for 10 a.m. news. 5-minute SMT for longs, bro. Okay, bro, you long? No, I'm not long. 5-minute SMT. With Asia lows. Hey, we have SMTs with all these lows, yeah. Yeah, we do have a pretty big SMT. It's like an hourly SMT actually. With New York lunch lows. You're right about that. I thought you were talking about this here. Equal lows at SMT too. Why'd you long with equal lows? Bro, what? What's my Roomba doing? Ugh. I don't think so, although this SMT will work. Yeah, but we can have an SMT without doing equal lows.
What you mean I'm fucking the beat up? Depending on like how you come approach something. All right. You approach that motherfucker like that. How I gotta approach this shit then? How I gotta approach this shit? Okay. Okay. So what would you get that 1 out of 10? That's a Jay-Z sample, by the way. Real culture shit.
But it's like in the way you laughing at your own joke.
No, I ain't laughing. This shit
formed up.
Nah, this shit hard. I ain't laughing. Man, that's a good beat. Okay, you fuck with that for sure. Y'all making faces. You got some work to do. Okay. You ever seen the video of Cassidy making beats? Yeah.
Bro. All right. Still have not, like, ES is just not doing nothing. They're not doing anything. Sorry, my bad. NQ's moving. Yes. Bro, I don't even remember what I was going to get, dude. I was going to grab something. Guess just wait for 10 a.m. Yeah, dude. What was I going to grab, bro? I left my room to grab something. Oh. See ya. All right. Bro, get a mic? I have a mic, bro. Why is my fan on? I need my fan on. So we have this here, but this just looks trash. Sometimes my voice is just too low. I have a mic, bro. I don't know. I don't know, bro. Yo, Ian, what's my RR? RR of what? You're full porting if 1 minute gets inversed? Okay. Okay, never mind. It's too cold with this fan. Turn the fan off. No, I can't. 15-minute inversed. Yeah. Not now. Crazy reduction. Yeah, just waiting for 10 a.m. Honestly. Yo, Ian. Bro, he's not even here. Ian's so useless, bro. You'll be short? Okay. We do still have SMT with previous AM lows. About to be previous day low. Yeah. No, you're good. So we might have a previous day low SMT. All right. Ian? We have a 3-minute gap. Three-minute gap mech model, Ian. Ian, mech model. Mech model. Mech model. On the 3-minute? On the 3-minute. It's not unfilled. It's unfilled. You target the 3-minute. Yeah, but the problem here is that we have news. So and it's also negative risk to reward. Hmm. No, I don't use Replicanto. I use Trade Sinker. Bro, Ian, what do you think about the RR on my trade? Oh shit. PB or done? Shut up. Shut up. What do you think about the RR on my trade? Bro, what? When? What do you think about the RR on my trade? Bro, what do you think about the RR on my trade, dude? Hit TP! Hit TP right there, guys. Guys, TP right there. Full TP. Full TP. Guys, full TP. Guys, full TP. Everybody hit that with me? No, they can't hear you. Who took this with me? Bro, I don't know. And one, but also red folder in 7 minutes. Easy 0.2 points out for the day. Let's go! Let's go, guys. We got almost 3 points there, guys. Done for the day. Done for the day. Easy. That's how we do it. That's how we do it, guys. Someone's Yo, Ian. Ian. I wasn't reading my chat when I was watching that video. Bro, somebody said, but now the news is there waiting for us to get oiled up if we enter before it comes out. By sauce, I meant, yo, I missed all of these. What sauce, bro? I was pissing. Yo, I didn't see any of this chat, bro. BB or Dodgy. We have 1 hour LRL. Are you talking about this? Yeah, I saw that. I pointed that out the other day. Guys, let's go. Looking for the rebalance of this 3-minute fair value gap here, delivering off the 5-minute swap sell side. All right, inversed this gap here. Bro, why doesn't it take forever to draw? Bro. Shut up, bro. Pissing me off. Let's go, guys. Easy trade here. Looking for the 3-minute fair value gap rebalance. Delivering off the 5-minute here. Right? You can see we inverse the gap there. Looking for the rebalance of this 3-minute gap. Easy TP there, guys. Easy TP there, guys. Like that Morpheus guy. News in 1 minute. News in 30 seconds. Guys, Ian's saying long news. Ian's saying long news. Ian's saying long news. Not financial advice, long before news. Not financial advice, though. Just long news. Where's my camera? Yeah, it died. What did you hear that laugh, Ian? Who said? Why did it sound like that, bro? Yo, Ian, remember I told you open, low, high, close works on everything? Look at this, watch. We opened. Did we put in a high yet, Ian, on this candle? Did we put in a high yet? Okay, watch. Let's see if we do. Now, yeah, but CS ain't happening. All right, we put in equal lows, though. Oh. Open, low, close. Bro, I gotta clip that laugh, though. That laugh was diabolical, bro. Bro. Bro, that laugh was crazy. I actually need to go back and like clip that, bro. Okay, so we might tap into this 15-minute gap up here. We have the Daedalus. Bro, 1 minute FVG, bro. Crazy. We might tap into this. We have the Daedalus here, guys. So I'm gonna go put my phone in the other room now. Told you, open, low, high, close. See? Okay, so we're delivering out the 5 minute here. Ian, what are you watching? Okay, we might hit this 15-minute here. Equal lows for data lows too, so. Is he looking at the same 15-minute as me, Ian? No, it's a 15-minute fair value gap. No, but he said we might go up and tap this 15-minute. So I was just wondering if he was looking at the same one as me. Anyways, bro, lock in, bro. It's 10 a.m., bro. News came out. Lock in. No, you're not, dude. You're not locked in. All right, making sure I'm logged in on the right account. So you have data lows again? Yeah. Short and discount for data lows, my boy. Yeah. Chat, I'm officially broke now. Yeah, and he took your advice. He said he's officially broke. He got liquidated when he took that long. Okay, we tapped into the 15-minute. Why is he looking for a 5-minute long, bro? Acting like we don't have data lows below. I don't know. No, you're not. Now he's finally adjusting data low. Good boy. The person on your TikTok stream. Ian, get off of TikTok, bro. We go ahead and mark everything out. Okay. So data low is going to be here. Ian, pay attention, bro. Okay, then lock in. We have a 2-minute here. Do you not see the screen share? Unfilled 15-minute invalidated. What do you mean? Gonna enter on 3-minute. You don't have data lows. You would be bullish. Probably, yeah. Definitely seems more bullish. Bro, Bitcoin, I don't care about that. Care about it for my 5-minute. Gold, no. Why? You're in for longs? Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't fade out of this. Bro, shut up. What is wrong with you? Okay, put in a 5-minute there. This would be like negative R. Oh, we have a crazy SMT here. We have a bearish SMT here. All right. Bro, how many times am I going to tell you what an SMT is? Yes, one will take a high, one doesn't. We still have like 45 minutes, so we're chilling. Actually, I have like 50 minutes. SMT is one candle takes a high. Yeah. One of them takes the high, the other one doesn't. What are they talking about first? Bro, I went on the 43-minute candle, bro. I didn't mean to go on a 43-minute chart. Yeah, an accident. No. About the 69-minute for value gap. Yo, we're actually delivering at the 69-minute for value gap. Yeah, there's a 6-7 for value gap as well. Bro, shut up. Just what? Wait. What'd you say? Wait, what'd you say? What do you want Nick to get on? I'm gonna grab a Gatorade, bro. I want flavor. Bro, I need it. All right. Bro, Ian, I don't want to listen to your guy on TikTok. Ian, what do you think about? What do you think about Doctor Ian by Cardi? Yeah, get rid of the lines off your shit, bro. The situation we are in at this time. I'm in longs too because of SMT liquidity. Ship delivery 3 minutes inverse. Although my stops at break even now. You better be giving me watch hours. I'm gonna crash out. Oh, okay. Bro, I'll let you crack if you give me watch hours. Odaji isn't taking anything today. Bro, I feel like I have a friend that's kind of like half-assing trading. For 1 minute. Yeah. I'm not taking this though. I don't. Well, not even that. Because you would have just been able to get a retrace entry just here when it pulled back. But I'm just waiting. Because price is really bullish. But at the same time, we have the data lows. Because we're not delivering off of anything for this. I want to, like, you see the 5-minute gap? It's a really small 5-minute gap. Yeah, that 5-minute gap is like. Yeah, but that 15-minute we kind of already just like pumped through. So delivering off that 5-minute would be like a perfect spot to get short off of. Because I understand that we're like delivering off the 15-minute, but does that reaction to the lows like look bearish to you? Negative trades, bro. We were green yesterday. Yo. Someone says stay goated, Logan. Where'd you partial, bro? Partial at 0.5 R? That's insane. Dang, bro. I gotta go let my dog in. I want us to leave this 5 minute, dude. Please leave this 5 minute unmitigated. I want this honestly to fail, bro. Hit this 5 minute and just give us a new setup to come down. $23.4R. Let me see screen share. Let me see screen share. Smooth operator. At partial at the SMT, bro. Well, that would be well for a mech model. It would be looking for that as like a retrace to it. But I kind of want this to fail, bro. I want to get deliver off the 5 minute. I want us to come. I want us to come to the 5 minute above and then come down. Gosh. ES took those highs. Shut up. ES took what highs? Bro, I don't want this to work. Please fail, bro. Bro, I have nothing to do. Bro, I'm gonna wake myself up with some push-ups, bro. Ah! 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Please fail, bro. It's respecting the order block, dude. Uh, please deliver off this 5 minute, bro. Stop the break even. Yes, look those highs. They may. Bro, the thing that sucks about live trading, Ian, is that like you're kind of stuck just sitting here. You can't just like skip over it like how you were on backtesting. Just what? Just what, Ian? Said goon a little? Bruh. Bruh. Alright, bruh. Please. Maybe 950 macro or 1050 macro. Delivering off this 5 minute would deliver us down to this sell side. Or data low, I mean. Sorry. Bruh. PFP with a back pick. Bro, what am I reading? Can't stay here. Can't stay here. You on Instagram. Wait, where are you from? I can't say here. Bro, they got wet looking at those equal lows and data lows. What the yo? Okay, so I want to see the reaction to this low inside of this 5-minute gap here. I want to see a reaction. If we kind of dump through this, we might just take this 5-minute. Short to the data low. Be like negative R, but I would just look for what I would just look for 1R. We're about to have a 2-minute for longs here if the 5-minute holds. We really just have to see the reaction to this 5-minute. So we formed a CISD there on the 2-minute. Okay, so we just formed a 1-minute down here. I know it's really tiny on here, but we have it on NQ. Looks a little bit better. Still really small, but all right, we're kind of just dumping through this 5-minute now, so definitely probably just gonna look for this short here then. Really just depends on what we end up getting here, guys. So far, that 1-minute mech was definitely the best setup we've had all day. Okay, apparently we're just going through it to get a reaction. Okay, horrible feel for me, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. 12. My fill was so bad, dude. Yeah. You could get a good fill here. Yeah, you could enter with like 10. 3-minute. The 5-minute unfilled. Not gonna lie, I over risked a little bit here, not on purpose. But at the swing low. At 10:35. Not gonna lie, Mike. Oh shit, dude. Came back down. Just thinking about honestly waiting for this 3-minute to close. My fill was so bad here, dude. We didn't close above the 3 minute, is what I'm saying. But we entered off the 1 minute inverse. Dude, my fill was actually so trash, dude. Probably just gonna close if we tap back to this 3 minute. Might move my limit there just to close my position if we tap it for a break even, and then if we inverse it, then I'll re-enter. Probably gonna do that, to be honest. What do you think, Ian? Think about closing this trade early and then seeing if the 3 minute inverses. No, I'm thinking about closing my trade if we tap back up here. Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna move my limit so it closes for break even. Then if we close above the 3 minute, I'll re-enter. All right, I'm out there. Now I want to see what happens with this 3 minute. Sorry guys, this is my fault for entering there. We'll look for this 5 minute still, but I want to see this 3 minute inverse. So that's my fault, dude. I shouldn't have entered there. Shut up. Shut up, bro. All right. Yeah, I did not know we had a 3 minute gap there. Did you close yours or did you get in yet? Okay. I think it was a smart decision closing there, guys. I'm gonna wait for that 3 minute. I mean, if you're still like above break even, I would say close and wait to see if we get the 3 minute. But yeah, I'm glad I closed there, dude. Did not see that 3 minute, and I'm glad I closed when I had the opportunity to. That, bro, I made, how much did I make on that trade? I made $6. W day, guys. W day, guys, up $6. Yeah. Bro, I told you to close. Why didn't you listen to me? I was stressing because I was like, damn, this 3 minute didn't close. All right. Yeah, you would have had a 1 day of green. So this might be good to the data though. Wait, are you still in, Ian? You could have got your money back. Dude, that 1 minute short was probably the move of the day, to be honest. Delivering out the 15 minute. I don't know why I was looking for that 5 minute to hit. Makes no sense. It was just for the 15 minute and the 5 minute overlapped though. So it was a good spot for delivery. We just didn't hit it. But yeah, if we get this 5 minute short, I'll definitely take it. Definitely seems like the move, to be honest, with this data low. You're on MNQ, right? So your target would actually be the 950 low because data low is like way below. But I'll do TP at the data low because it's negative R. Just do this. I might end up closing manually if we hit it on ES or not ES if we hit on NQ because they're equal lows on NQ. I'm glad I closed that, guys. Sorry about that. That was a bad trade. Got out while I was still at break even. This is that open P&L of 50 cents. What is my copy trader saying? What is my copy trader saying, dude? Okay, good. Trade Sinker's not terrible. It's actually all my accounts are break even. What's up, Chandan? Chandan? You're watching. You're watching Free Live Friday. What is that? Free Live Friday. Hey. Is that the thing on TikTok or is that like a Discord stream, bro? What are you watching? Who is it? I'm on my chart. Don't worry. We have 4 minutes till the candle closes. How many accounts do I use? I use like 3. Three minutes. All right. Stop would be like, let me see, 170. Bro, no, not 170 units, 170 stop loss, dude. Damn. 500. See ya. See ya. See ya. I need to see a doctor. See ya. All right. Still got 3 minutes. We still got 2.5 minutes. Yo, Ian, you think if I go, I'm not even gonna go to the bathroom. I have to piss, bro. But I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I'm gonna hold it in because my luck, it'll take me 3 minutes to piss and I'll miss the entry and it'll just dump straight to the TP. Oh my gosh, dude. Stop loss at the top of the order block here. All right. You see my YouTube stream? This is the OB here. Ian, you see my YouTube stream? This is the order block. All right. We might have to do a limit here to get a good feel. Crazy voice crack. See ya. Unless we get a good close here. We still got 1 minute, guys. How much money do you make a week? I don't know. Anyways, let's see about this trade. Let's see. Might have to de-risk a little here, dude. I'm like, this is like a bad like spot for me to like just switch my cons by one size. Damn, bro. Imagine this doesn't close. $15 seconds. Seems like it might not close. Bruh. All right, I'll go take a piss. Oh, I don't want to wait. I don't want to go to the bathroom. No, that I don't want to wait. I don't want to go to the bathroom. Kind of hoping maybe we have a 2 minute gap. We could get a pullback too, and then deliver off of it. Maybe. Okay. Price is coming up a little bit. We might get an entry. I'm gonna go pick. All right, I'm back. All right, Ian. It doesn't look horrible, bro. We might still get an entry here. Yeah, dude. 5 minute didn't inverse here, but it didn't like hit Come on, just wait for us. Wait for us. Bro, if NQ waits for us, bro, I'll give you oral sex, Ian. If NQ waits for Yo, Ian. Did you hear me? Who is that? Bro, what is going on there? Okay, okay. Come on. Come on. Come on, bro. We could still get our entry here. We can get our entry here, Ian. I thought it was gonna dump to data low without us. Alright, we should be good here. Come on. I'm doing 6. Bro, imagine it doesn't close here. Imagine it just comes up and closes in the gap again. Alright. Alright, come on. Alright, I'm in. Alright. Alright, there we go. Let's go, guys. And my battery died on my camera. Just getting a 1-to-1 R here, guys, to the data lows. Where's your stop loss? Bro. Okay, so we're gonna mark out. We're delivering out this 15-minute here. We have a 5-minute gap. We might tap into here. We'll see. Nice. Just gonna sit here and chill now, guys. Is he actually mad? Yeah. Well, you weren't even on for one of the days either. Or 2 of the days I don't think you're on. Gonna mark the data lows here on ES. I want to watch that. Yeah, I'm gonna watch ES data lows. It was 10 a.m. low from news. Yeah, we really have no reason to go up here. We've closed below everything. So we're just gonna sit here and wait. What do you mean? Okay, I want a good closer on the 1 minute. Maybe at OB. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna put in a 1 minute OB here, but just chilling. All right, ES hasn't taken it yet. Yeah, we still have 9 minutes left in the macro though. What? Hmm. Let me see. Yeah, kind of just slowing down here, which we don't want to see in the macro, but. I'm watching with ES. ES seems to be moving a lot, like not a lot faster because you can see we have Wix here, but seems like it wants to go more into the data though than NQ for some reason. So pretty much a doji candle there. Maybe we get a 5-minute OB here. This macro should be having us go down, dude. ES is going down at NQ. Like, bro, what is this? Why is they're not even moving together right now, bro? No, I do stop at break even if ES takes it out. I'm just watching ES for that though. Don't worry. I'll let you know if there's an SMT at the lows. Bro, everybody left the stream when I took the trade. Nobody's in my stream. We have 10 people in here. This is definitely looking a lot better now. Especially if we put an OB here. Sucks that ES is a lot closer to it than NQ is. Let me see. Where's your stop? Send me a snap. I have my phone now. Bro, I text my friend. My friend texted me. He said, "Yo, you want to hit the gym Saturday?" I was like, I can't. I'm gonna be in Miami Saturday." He's like, "Yo, are you gonna buy Miami while you're there?" No, your stop loss is in the right spot. Actually, no, your stop should be at the top of the white candle, not the red one, and the black one, like the top of the white candle. Yeah. Okay, ES hasn't taken it out. We might be in this trade for a while, bro. Oh. Dude, ES is gonna take it out first, bro. Maybe gonna crash out. Bro, is anybody in my YouTube stream? We have 15 now. Need to break 1 minute. It's the last roadblock. We already broke it, dude. This 1 minute was already like mitigated. This was the only 1 minute we had to break. It's kind of we put in a 5 minute OB here, but apparently not, dude. Gonna be SMT at the data wake? Yeah, definitely. There's gonna be definitely gonna be SMT there, dude. Just gonna have to move stop at break even when we get it. Unless ES slows down and NQ speeds up. But if not, there's gonna be SMT at the lows. Really want a bearish close here. Just like put in a order block, bro. But I don't think we're gonna get that, dude. Bro. It's annoying. We're gonna be here for a while. I disagree that 1 minute is the gap that took us to a higher high. No, that bro, the 1 minute to take us to a higher high. This was a data candle. This was a news candle. So it's not that it held. This was just news caused that. So because it was 10 a.m. news. Yo, Ian, you there? All right. I was just seeing if you were there. ES hasn't hit it either. It's a 5 minute setup, dude. Remember on the back testing, some of them take a while. You gotta wait. You gotta wait, dude. No, bro. That's Nick. That's Nick. Nick literally says that, bro. I'm not joking. He'll literally say, "We go gym." I'm like, bro.
They're saying they want to take out whatever this liquidity is. I think it's a 5 minute liquidity.
Let me see. Send me a snap of what they're showing you. Yeah. The one that we inversed? Oh. No, you're talking about the one we just. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I see it. I mean, we could do that. Oh, that was like when I first started. That was bad. I'm not gonna lie. But Like staying in one of these, bro, probably a while, dude. I'm not gonna lie, like an hour, hour and a half. They're not always an hour and a half. It's just sometimes you get stuck like this. Bruh. No, bro, I don't. I don't do that. No, I don't. No. 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 Bro, I've been on stream for 2.5 hours and we're about to be on here for another hour, dude. It does, dude. Now we just formed a 15-minute. We could. Yeah. They do. They do. It's it. No, it's illegal for them to do that. I mean, they probably still do it, but it's illegal. Bro, because she's part of the government, bro. She's not supposed to, but she does it. Okay, we tapped into the 15-minute. Definitely want to see a reaction here. We still have the 5-minute though. Okay, we tapped into the 5-minute. But we're gonna be on here forever. I had 28 viewers at my peak, and then when I entered the trade, I had 7 viewers, and now I have 15. This is iFVG inverse variety gaps. Bruh. 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 Damn. Do you see that? No, dude. It's actually called a testicular tusion. Bro, imagine ending this week red. No. Yeah, ES is pumping right now. Hoping this 5-minute holds, dude. If we get it. I heard it. You said that they said they're gonna take the 2 minute if we get it. The people that you're watching, where are you watching? Are you watching like in a Discord? Or are you watching on like how are you watching a Discord and on the call with me? Oh, that's why I can hear it. Bruh. 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 No way we sit on here for this long to take a loss, dude. Yeah. Yeah, they have a 2 minute gap. It's not inversed. Oh, we have another 15-minute bearish here, actually. We just tapped into it. It's kind of okay. No, don't enter into another trade while we're already in one. You'll make up for your losses if this wins. Bro. And risk 2 times the amount while you're at it. Not if you take a bad setup. Bro, it's percentage per trade. It doesn't like if you lose one, it doesn't make it higher probability for the next one. Do you really? Does it really? Do you really? Do you really understand? It's okay, guys. We've been in drawdown before. We have been in drawdown before. All right. This is just drawdown. This is just drawdown. All right, guys, come on. We have been in drawdown before. Been in drawdown before. What? What are you talking about, Ian? Manny Heffley? Oh, the little kid, yeah. What about Manny Heffley? What's that? Guys, everybody get emotional and close your trade now while you're up. Everybody get emotional and close your trade while you're up $50.
Get those trades. Welcome trades.
Bruh. What did you send me? What did you send me? For the Magnus strat? Yeah, dude, it's gonna work, bro. Trust. Ian, why'd you stop playing my music? Ian, why'd you stop playing my music? Ian. Yo, Ian. Why can't I hear you, dude? Output. Okay. I can hear it now. It's, I can't hear it, bro. It's like gone. Ian, you know, I used to listen to that song. Bro, he's gonna play my flipping playlist. Bro. I want an OB here, bro. Really want a 2-minute OB. Bro. It's so funny because my chat doesn't know what I'm laughing about. I'm just sitting here laughing. Brother Magnus Strat, Brother Hammer Strat is goaded. We gotta watch out for ES, bro. ES is gonna be our op today, bro. ES is actually gonna be our op today. Bro, turn this off, Ian. Into show. Micro. Yo! Ian. Someone in my chat said my girl said if it didn't dump today, she's gonna peg me. if, if it doesn't dump, he's gonna get pegged by his girl. Okay, where are you going? Oh. Come on, give us a good close here. I feel like whenever I say something like that, it just reverses. So I'm not gonna say anything. I try to annotate my trade so I can like tell you guys what I'm looking for and stuff. But anytime I annotate something, it doesn't do it. It just reverses. It goes the other way. So I'm not gonna say anything. Last time when we were over here, I said I wanted a 2-minute OB, and we formed the 2-minute OB, and it would just reverse. But do you try the advanced ICT professional indicator? It's crazy. No, I don't know what that is. Yeah, we typed in this 15-minute too. This is the 15-minute iFVG. Respected the 5-minute as well. We didn't close above this. Even if we did close above this, don't get me wrong, that'd be a bad sign, but we were respecting this last 15-minute here. ES is really going to be our op today, isn't it? Bro, it's so funny that Nick posted that. He's like, am not logged in. Yo, this price action is making me like Want to crash out. Yo, me Ronaldo. Me and Ronaldo are fading right now. He said he's in longs. He's in longs. All right. Me and Ronaldo are fading this right now, dude. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh, he a goon. He a goon. He a goon. He a goon. I'm oiling up, I guess. She will win tonight. Yo. I told him. He said, I'm in longs right now. Might get wicked out. I was like, I'm in shorts looking for data low. Yeah. He was like, bruh. Yeah, it's at 2:30. What do you mean? Yeah. We're gonna need this 3 minutes to hold here. Bruh. When was I in PB Discord? I'm oiling up. I guess you win tonight. What are you even longing off? Thomas, yeah, what is Thomas longing off? Pray for me, chat. Yeah, dude. When it was still up. Yo, do we get out break even here, or do we just wait? What is the move, Ian? I'm gonna trust your judgment here. Why do you have to use such harsh words with me? Yes, did. Nice. Now we just need to close. Ian, what do you see on the 1 minute? Yeah. No, break of structure to the downside. We close below that. Yeah. ES didn't do the same thing though. It always does. That's why I don't trade ES. Yeah. Bro, me and Ronaldo are probably both like, bro, because we're both in opposite trades. We both been getting chopped for the last like, we've both been getting chopped for the last 40 minutes. Actually, 50 minutes. He is. Okay, that pullback actually slowed down ES from taking the data lows first. Yeah, dude, this pullback actually slowed down ES. That's not that bad, dude. It's at the low. PA of doom and despair. All right, I'm gonna move break even here. Yeah. Move that way too far. All right, I'm watching ES. Yeah. I put it a point below, but I'm watching for data lows here. We need to play some success music, bro. We need to play some success music. Yeah. Let's play some success music, Ian.
We be throwing money in the
Go watch it on the beach, drop, Ian.
Yeah, turn her right into my hole. She shake her ass to the eye roll. Got a skinny thong like a tie roll. I be blowing up like some pyro. 150 call it Cairo. If she left with me, she go right home. And she rockin' me like a BMX. Bitch, 70 is the dyno.
Ah! We sat here for an hour. Let's go.
Coming in, I can't lose. Money keep coming in, I can't lose. Foreign girls at 10s, I can't choose. Foreign car got
Wait. Bro, what the? All right. Let's go, bro. We sat here for an hour to hit TP, bro. Let's go. Let's go, guys. We sat here for an hour to hit TP. All right. W video. W video. Oh my gosh, guys. Yo, Ian, turn it off! I don't know this one anymore. Holy crap, bro. Let's go. Holy crap, guys. Ending the week green, bro. Finally. Holy crap, we're in this for an hour, dude. What is wrong with mine? It's in this trade recaps. Finally. Oh. All right. Let's go. All right. We're getting off stream here, guys. Yo, Ian. Oh, shit. I can't hear you. Yo, Ian. Bro, I'm not going to lie, bro. Now you understand, like, why trading can mess with your mental, bro. You sit here, you were up $200 for, like, 30 minutes, and then you were down $200 for 30 minutes, almost a stop loss, and then came all the way back in TP. Yo. All right. Guys, I'm going to get off stream. W stream today, guys. End of the week green.